Hey beautiful souls, it's Sam here from The Singer's Piano and welcome to Awaken Your Creative Soul, the healing side of piano, singing and songwriting for self-expression. Now today we're going to dive deep into the art of song structure using the beautiful and emotive song Gravity by Sara Bareilles. Now if you've ever wondered how to create a memorable, catchy song that also resonates deeply with your soul, you're in the right place. We will break down the structure step by step. So grab your notebook and let's get started. As empaths, we often feel the world around us so intensely, and sometimes it can be challenging to express all of those emotions. And understandably, song structure is crucial because it gives us the roadmap to channel our feelings into song. And it's not just about creating a catchy tune, but really about sharing a piece of our soul with the world. So today, we're going to use the structure to create a hit while staying true to the emotional expression. So let's take a closer look at Gravity by Sara Bareilles. This song follows a traditional song structure, which is a verse, a chorus, a verse, a chorus, and a bridge. Now this structure is designed to keep the listener hooked from start to finish. The lyrics go, "Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long, no matter what I say or do. I'll still feel you're here till the moment I'm gone. You hold me without touch. You keep me without change. I never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love and not feel the rain." Now these lines set a scene and introduce the story, and each verse provides new information and advances the narrative. Now we're going to hear it with the melody. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say or do, I still feel you here till the moment I'm gone. It's a beautiful, simple melody, and then she continues with the story as she goes on. So here we go, the next verse. You hold me without touch. You keep me without chains. I never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love and not feel the rain. So the melody here is engaging, but it's not overly complex, which helps to draw the listener in without overwhelming them. So let's write a verse. Here's a simple exercise to get you started. Think of a scenario or story you want to tell that reflects your journey or emotion. Write a few lines that set the scenes and introduce the characters, and keep the melody simple and focus on the lyrics. Allow your feelings to flow freely and authentically. Now, let's get to the chorus. And I'm actually going to show it in my hands because I think it's really important that you actually see what I am playing on the piano. So here, with the chorus, the melody goes up a little bit higher and it goes, set me free, leave me be. I don't fall enough moment into your gravity. And here I am, and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. But you're onto me, all over me. Now the chorus is the catchy repeated section that encapsulates the main theme of the song, and it's designed to be memorable and is often the part people sing along to. Now notice how the melody just then and the rhythm are more dynamic. They're uplifting compared to the verse. So really the melody is going a lot higher on the piano to the verse. This is where the emotional peak of the song lies, capturing the essence of our feelings. And often what happens is the chorus repeats. Now, we're going to craft a catchy chorus. Focus on a simple, strong hook that captures the essence of your song, and play around with different melodies and rhythms until you find one that sticks. This is where your core message of healing or self-expression should shine through, allowing your emotions to resonate deeply with your listener. Now, the second verse is where we go to have a deeper dive into the story. So the next lines are, you love me because I'm fragile when I thought I was strong, but you touched me for a little while and all my fragile strength is gone. So we're growing the story. So the melody would go back to the verse, but the words would be different. You love me cause I'm fragile when I thought that I was strong, but you touched me for a little while and all my fragile strength is gone. So we're using the same melody as the first verse, but we're changing the lyrics to add more depth to the story. But then we go back to the chorus again. So it's exactly the same. Set me free, leave me be. I don't fall another moment into your gravity. And here I am, now I stand so just the way I'm supposed to be, but you're onto me, all over me. And then we get to the bridge. So the bridge provides a contrast to the verse and the chorus. It's a shorter section that adds variety and often leads into the final chorus. Now this section introduces a new melody and lyrics, and it gives the listener a fresh perspective before returning to the chorus or ending the song. And it's like a moment of reflection within the song. So if we look at the lyrics of the bridge, it says, I live here on my knees as I try to make you see that everything I think I need is here on the ground. But you're neither friend nor foe. I can't seem to let you go. The one thing I still know is that you're keeping me down. So it's a completely different perspective. It's really her vulnerability. She's saying that she can't let you go. Yeah. So it's really vulnerable, but it's keeping her down. Now listen to the melody, because this is a different melody to the verse and the chorus. So it goes like this. I live here on my knees as I try to make you see that everything I think I need is here on the ground. But you're neither friend nor foe, and I can't seem to let you go. The one thing that I still know is you're keeping me down. You're keeping me down. You're onto me, all over me. For the bridge, think of the new perspective or twist you can add to your song. Write a few lines with a different melody and chord progression to add the contrast. And consider how this represents a moment of growth in your story. Use the bridge to offer a new insight or emotional shift. And put it all together. So combine your verses, your chorus, and your bridge to create a full song. And play around with the structure. You know, some songs don't have the bridge. Some songs have one chorus. Some songs have two choruses. We call it a pre-chorus. So remember, this is a journey, so be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. Your song is a reflection of your soul, and each step you take is a step towards self-expression and healing. And remember, mastering the traditional song structure can help you create music that is both catchy and memorable. So by following these steps, you can ensure your song has a strong foundation and resonates with your audience. And if you want to learn more about piano and vocal songwriting for self-expression, I've got a free PDF guide down below. Simply click on the link and I will email it directly to you. We go into much more depth on subconscious songwriting therapy, on how to play and accompany your voice, even if you're an absolute beginner, but also how to find your authentic voice. You can grab the guide by clicking on the link below in the comments. And also, as always, if you like this video, please subscribe and you will be notified for future videos. I hope this was helpful and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.